and welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Anjali and you're watching Ashi's Heaven. Okay guys, so today's video is based upon a request from a subscriber. So I think her name is Praniti something, I don't remember the exact name. If it is Praniti, hi Praniti, your request is accepted by me and I'm gonna do a video solely for you as per your request. But I'm so sorry, you have to forgive me because I don't have a pink dress. So she asked me to make a wedding guest makeup look using for a pink dress basically. So I don't have any pink dress. I searched all over my wardrobe and I did not find any pink dress with me. I'm so sorry for that, please ignore that. So on a gown, so I'm just gonna show you a wedding makeup look, like wedding guest makeup look on a gown which is very simple and affordable, and at the same time it can be made quickly by each one of us. So this is solely for you. So hope you really like this. I'm sorry if I misspelled your name, I'm really sorry for that, and this video is solely dedicated for you. So yeah, and there is a request from my end. If anyone who is interested in, if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to do that. So yeah, so Praniti, hope you like this video. So this video is solely for you. And so without much late, let's get started. We get into the video. If you are liking my video, by the end of this video, please make sure to hit that like button. At the same time, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and become a family member. So that's all guys, so let's just quickly get started. And let me tell you guys, all the products that I'm gonna use in this are very affordable and at the same time simple. By using simple and basic products, you can just make this very beautiful wedding guest makeup look. So only the dress matters guys. Depending upon your costume, you have to change the makeup here and there. I don't have any pink dress with me, so I thought I'll just wear this a very simple gown. This gown is also very simple and basic guys, so it looks very classic if you do subtle makeup on such classic gowns. So as always, skincare. So for skincare, I'm gonna use Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. I'm not going to describe anything much about this because I have already spoken in many of my videos. So if you have not watched, please do watch my past videos. I'll just give it in the iCard above. So first step is skincare. So take a moisturizer according to your skin type and just apply it onto your skin and nicely apply it. So if yours is an oily skin type, you can definitely choose this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer because this is really what I should say. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my face, and make sure that your face is really neat and clean before you apply anything. Okay. So nicely, as I have applied moisturizer, I am allowing it to dry for about 1 minute so that it dries completely into our skin, so that our foundation becomes so flawless. After that, you have to again moisturize your lip by taking any moisturizer, lip balm. So here I'm using Baby Lips moisturizer. Hope it is visible. So here I'm using Baby Lips moisturizer from Maybelline, sorry, lip balm. So okay guys, so I have moisturized my lip as well, and that's it guys. Skincare is already done. Now let's quickly jump into the base makeup. For base makeup, I'm just going to take a single product and I'm going to do multiple tasks, okay? Because as this is simple and affordable wedding guest makeup look, I don't want to add multiple products and make it messy. So using very few products, how can we make a simple guest makeup look is what my intention is. So here I'm going to use this NY So this is NY foundation cum concealer cum contour stick 3-in-1. So this comes like this, and in purple you will get this for around it is really budget friendly guys. It comes for below 100 rupees I guess, and I should say this is worth for 100 rupees. It just does a great job guys. So if you are looking for a foundation stick or a concealer stick, you can easily go for this guys. This is worth, I should say. So I have tried it multiple times and really liked it. So I just thought of using this particular product as a foundation. So I'm just gonna do this, as it is a budget friendly makeup look. I'm just gonna do makeup using basic and budget friendly products. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face as a foundation. I'm gonna use this. So it is very completely, it is really close to my skin, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face as and wherever required. I'm also using this as a concealer to conceal my under eye and also above my, and Okay, I've already applied it all over my face. This is very close to my skin type and it really suits my skin type, guys. So once it is applied, I'm just gonna blend it using my fingers itself. I'm not going to use any makeup brush or a beauty blender, because it is very easy to blend it with your fingers only. So I'm not going to use any beauty blender to blend. So blend it nicely into your skin. It is very light and it is very easy to blend, guys. It is not very difficult to blend, because as the formula is very light, it is very easy to blend. Okay guys, as you can see, I have nicely blended it all over my skin, and for this price range, this foundation is just superb, and it is super light and it is not that patchy and sticky, and it doesn't give a putty type of a finish. It gives a very natural look. That is what is needed actually. So I am really liking this particular foundation stick, guys. This is a worth, I should say. So if anyone is looking to buy this NYB foundation stick, you can definitely buy this, guys, because this is worth, I should say. So if needed, you can again, if you want to hide your dark spots or anything like that completely, you can just go forward and do that, because I personally, I don't like to hide all of my dark spots. I just want to give this natural look. I like being like this. Instead of hiding each and every spot, I like to I'll leave this as natural as possible, so I'm not gonna do anything much. You can also use this as a contour stick. So that is that. So once my base is done, so as you can see, it is very natural and it has given me a flawless finish. So this is what I really wanted and I really liked it, guys. So to set our foundation, I'm gonna use this compact powder with Maybelline Fit Me. So this is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder under the shade Warm Nude. So as I said earlier, this is a beautiful compact powder, guys. I'm just gonna set my base using this. This has a very soothing fragrance which I really like, guys. So I'm just gonna set on the, so I'm just gonna do a slight eye makeup also in this. So I'm just gonna set my eyelashes as well, eyelids as well. So guys, so I have set my base using this compact powder, and this is really great, and I'll just give 5 out of 5 for this very cute compact powder. So that's that. And now just quickly move on to our eye makeup. So for eye makeup, I'm using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, which is very cheap and at the same time it is of really good quality, guys. You have very beautiful shades available. I'll just take this shade, so which is a matte shade. So I'll just take this particular shade first. So I'm taking this particular shade and give a base coat, okay, for both the eyes. Done. So for both eyes, take the same shade and give a very basic, take a shimmery shade, so which is this. I'm gonna take this particular shimmery shade from here and I'm just gonna apply it on the brow bones. Okay, so below the brow area, I'm just gonna apply this. And really blend it really well. I mean, okay guys, so I've just I've just given that a slight look. Now what you can do is, okay, now just take a brown shade from this. So I'm just gonna take this particular shade and I'm just gonna highlight my outer corners. that it gives a light smoky look. Just blend all of this nicely, guys. Okay, after blending this, now finally I'm just gonna place a shimmery shade on the middle of both of the eyes. So I'm just gonna take this shimmery shade and I'm gonna place this in between. Okay, for both the eyes. Perfect. So as you can see, this is such a light and a light shade I've given. After that, you can just take the same shimmery shade and just give a slight coloring at the brow bone so that it gives a light projection to your eyes as well, if needed. That is not mandatory, guys. And at the same time, you can take this as well and you can just give a slight, you can use this even as a highlighter, guys. So you can just do it like this. So if you just do it like this, it gives a slight glow to your face. If needed, you can also do it here, guys, cheekbone. Instead of using a highlighter, if you don't have a highlighter, you can just do the same using a shimmery shade. It gives the same look, guys. So that is done. Now you can just slightly do this the bottom of your eyelashes as well to give a continuity. Okay, guys, so once it is done, our eye makeup is done. So it is very subtle and it is very beautiful at the same time. So now what you have to do is, so if needed, take an eyebrow pencil and just fill your brows. And if there are any gaps, please fill that, guys. Fine. So once it is done, now we'll just make an eyeliner. So we'll just use a kajal. Kajal, I'm using L18 L18 Eye Drama Kajal pencil, and I'm just gonna tight line my waterline. So this is really good and budget friendly Kajal pencil, guys. So I'm gonna give a bold look today. Not going to show this eye makeup look in detail because already I have uploaded videos. Please do watch that, guys. I'll give it in the iCard above. So I have given a bold waterline. Now I'm just gonna do my eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna use this Lakme Insta Liner. This is such a beautiful eyeliner, guys. It's waterproof and it lasts for a really long time. So I'm liking this. So I'm just gonna line my lashes using this. I said I'm gonna give a bold look, so this is how it looks. Okay. The other eye as well. Okay, guys, our eye makeup is completely done. Now for our final step, I'm just gonna use this Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. This is also a really good mascara for beginners. You can just try this out, guys. This gives a very natural look, and as if you have applied some fake lashes. It gives a very natural look and a bold look to your eyes. So I really prefer this particular mascara. So I'm just gonna apply this on my lashes. Okay guys, so I have applied mascara as well. One more tip that I would like to give while you apply mascara is if you give two coats of mascara, it will be exactly as if you have applied a fake lash. So that thick it gives. But I don't feel like applying two because by one it is giving a very natural look, and I really like to keep this as natural as possible instead of giving that artificial look. So this is how I prefer to keep. We'll have to apply a lipstick. For lipstick, I'm just gonna use a dark lipstick, so which is under the shade Made Easy from Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. So I'm just gonna apply this because as this is a wedding guest makeup look, I think lipstick should be a little bit projected so that it gives a very beautiful look. This lipstick actually suits all skin type. Final step, as I always do, I just want to line my lip. So okay guys, so that's it. And if you want to add a sticker, you can definitely add a sticker as well. So yeah, that is that, and hope you have liked it. So this is our final look. So I'll just do my hair and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is how my final look looks like. I have given a sticker as well, and also you can also add jewelry to it. I don't have ornaments readily available, so I couldn't do that, but you can definitely add your favorite jewelry to it. It gives a very good look to your final outcome. So I would really suggest to add your favorite ornaments to this as well to give that beautiful ethnic look. So this is how it looks, and your hairstyle is depending upon your particular if you want to do a traditional hairstyle, you can just do a traditional. If not, you can just braid it simply, and if not, if loose hair is also highly recommended, guys. So I prefer you doing loose hair, so I did not do any much hair styling to this. So I like this makeup look. This is how I wanted to give this a look, a very simple look, by giving on a loose hairstyle. And I did not add much of the products in this. As you have seen, I have always used very simple and basic products instead of that high costly products. I used very affordable and budget friendly products for this particular wedding guest makeup look. So hope you have liked it, and if anyone is looking for a basic wedding guest makeup look, you can definitely try this out. And hairstyle depends on you, and ornaments also, jewelry, accessories, everything depends upon you. So according to your will and wish, you can add it. So I prefer to give this like this. So this is what I really like. So hope you have liked it. So if you are liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.